Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to check your clutch of a Suzuki Swift, for example. But you can do this with any manual transmission car. So you have three pedals. On the right side, this is a gas. This is the acceleration pedal. In the center, it's a brake pedal. And on the left side, there's a clutch pedal. And the clutch we have to check now. If you are going to buy a new car or a used new car, start the engine and check the clutch. Easy going. Switch or shift to gear number 3. Not 1, not 2, 3. And then pull the handbrake. And then release the clutch pedal in a medium style. Not too slow, but not too fast. And if the engine will shut down immediately, that means your clutch is all right. And if the car is going on with the engine rotation, your clutch is broken. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I'll see you next time. Soon.